Hey folks, MACT here, and I got a little bit of a video for changing out the 2005 Toyota Highlander brake lights, tail lights, whatever you want to call them. And I have these super bright LED Sylvania LEDs that are red. That's right, red. Because I found out if you buy the white ones a long time ago that you end up with pink tail lights rather than red tail lights. So you always want to buy the red LEDs. It helps the red stand out better. Anyway, I got these Sylvanias and I have a bad tail light. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you how so easy it is to change the tail light bulbs on a 2005 Toyota Highlander Limited. You know, if you can fall off a log backwards, I guess that's about as simple as it gets. It is a no-brainer, folks. But hey, you know, we all learn by seeing, so I thought I'd do a video on it. I'm sure there's others out there. I'm just part of the pack on this. But it is my my Toyota Highlander, and I'm going to show you, what I did to get that broken taillight replaced and get the bulb replaced, not the taillight, the bulb replaced because it burned out. I noticed that the other day when I was following my mother-in-law while she was driving it, and I noticed the taillight was out, and of course she never told me, so I have to take it on my own to check the vehicles a little more often, I guess. But anyway, little bit, we're going to do a quick video on it, and let's go ahead and get that light bulb replaced and see if it works. Let's see if it is not working first. Well, folks, sorry for the noise, but neighbor's working on his roof because it's really bad and neighbors are around, so there's going to be a lot of weird noises. But anyway, let's go ahead and start this up, show you that this light ain't working, replace the light bulb. Bob's your uncle, we're done. Anyway, there you have it. It's not working, so let's go ahead and pop her open and get her changed. First things first, you got to take and pop this cover off. It's that simple, folks. Set that off to the side. And the light was the top one, and there's a little hole back here, and I'll get a video of it. As you can see, we got the access here. There's just the light bulb in there. There's no wires because it has contacts built into the socket. So you just got to go in there, turn it about a quarter of a turn, and it should pull right out. Let's get her out. Like I said, I got big fat fingers, so it makes it a little difficult to get in there. There we go. It's not even a quarter turn. It's like a 1/16 of a turn. Then you just got to feed it out, being careful not to drop it. And as you can see, that bulb is burned out. Burned out like nothing you've ever seen. So we're just we pop this one out. We slide this bulb in. Now this is an LED, so if it don't work, then you just pull it out and flip it the other way. That's all it really takes. So then you just take and slide it back in here. There you go. Just a little snap and a click and you're done. That's it. Let's go ahead and see if it works. There you go, folks. Got the taillight fixed. That's simple. Just button her back up and move on without getting a ticket. Anyways, MACT garage, and of course this is my 2005 Toyota Highlander I'm working on. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff to MACT Garage on YouTube. Join the Facebook group of the same name, MACT Ford Edge. Also, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. And Band of One's got some great music along with Mercy Girl and a couple of one-liners. It may be a little bonus footage at the end of this to get me over that 10-minute mark what YouTube likes. What do you do with this?
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.